What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can remove the background noise from your YouTube videos using Audacity. So let's get started. Now first off, once you have installed Audacity, you just need to put the audio from your YouTube video into Audacity. So once you have your audio imported just like this, to remove the background noise you would just need to find a silent part in your video so you can just isolate this noise. Now just go ahead and zoom in to, let's say, this silent part and just mark it by clicking and dragging it to the end of the silent part. From there, once you have that marked, you would need to go to the Effects tab right here. And in the Effects tab, you would need to go to the Noise Reduction option, this one right here. Now on the Noise Reduction menu, you would first need to get the noise profile, so you can remove that noise once you get the profile. So go ahead and click Get Noise Profile. Now, once you have clicked that, you can just mark the whole thing by just clicking on this upper part right here. And once you have everything highlighted, just go ahead and click on the Effects tab again and select Noise Reduction again. Now, as you can see, this is grayed out because we already got our noise profile. So from here, to reduce the background noise, just go ahead and click on the OK button right here. And just make sure that everything is highlighted. So the amount of your audio from which you want to remove the noise. And just click OK. And there we go. Now the noise has been removed from our audio recording, as you can see right here. And that's guys how you can remove background noise from your YouTube videos using Audacity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.